Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bootable USB drive to install Windows from that. So let's go to start. First of all, press Windows key and type CMD. Right click on it, run as administrator. Click yes, type diskpart. Now we don't have any USB drive on our computer, so I'm going to put a USB drive. We have a USB drive now, so let's type list disk. Which one is our USB drive? Disk 3. We have to select this disk 3. Select disk 3. It's selected now. Now type clean. Create partition primary. Enter. Now select partition 1, the partition of the drive. Now type format fs equal ntfs quick and wait until it's completed. It's completed now. Now type active. Now type assign. Here you will, when I enter, you will see the driver here. You see? Now type exit. Exit. And we are done. So what are we going to do next? Now we're going to copy Windows files. To which drive? Let's see. To drive L. It's finishing now. What we going to do next? We will check if it's work or not. So for that I am going to restart the computer and film it by my phone. So guys, I'm going to restart my computer now. Press boot key in HP F9 and Dell F12. So here is our USB drive. You see, guys? So we are done.